welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. If you're new to my channel, my name is Temi and you're welcome to Temi Best World Family. In this channel I talk about life experience. I'm into lifestyle vlog and I used to show my small cooking in this channel. Yeah. So I want to carry you guys along with me. I'm going to the supermarket with my husband, so I want to carry you guys along with me. Yeah, let us go, let it go. Hey girl. The market is full every Saturday. Market always full. Òun ni àmú kíní dání báyìí. Ọlá fún wíìkì yìí wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Ẹyọ̀kan ó ti tó fún ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí. Hi guys, we are back home. I could not carry you guys along with me in that supermarket because today is Saturday, so when it's Saturday just many people in the supermarket, like it's so full, so I could not carry you guys along with me. I'm so sorry. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got there now, so let us go. Let me just pack everything out, then I will tell you guys how much I spent there. Everything is now cost in supermarkets. Like, so it's not making sense anymore at all. Can you just imagine this type of meat now? It's €5.84. Like, you could not even see better meat there. There are many bones inside, something like that. What to do now? I even get love to see this one. €3.56. So then I bought 4 fish. This fish. Let me see how much I bought one. Let me see. I got this one for €3.09. Yeah, I think it's affordable. We spent €103.95 just for all this. Can you imagine? Everything is cost. And I went to African store too. Yeah, I got some just small thing. I really don't need anything like that for African store because I got egusi, I have a bono, something like that. So I got this. I think it's €5 something cents. Yeah, €5.50. I got it for €5.50. And I think this okra is €3. Yeah, and I got fresh pepper too for €3. So these are the things I bought there. So I got this for African store. So let me try to carry gas along with me. I don't want to carry gas along with me today. Yeah, because I want to cook my jollof rice. Let's see if I can do that. Okay, first of all, let's pack all this. Come on, let's give ourselves space here. Mercy, come here for me. Come here for me. Why are you calling me? What happened? Nothing. You just like to shout my name, right? Go.
You want to clean the thing.
Then you want to do what?
I want to.
This is the tin tomato I'm using for my jollof fries. Yeah, I got it from supermarket. So I don't used to buy it from African store right from time. So this is it. I got it for €1.30. I think I want to put it for my back again. So we start cooking right now. For my pots, I'm trying to look for where I can buy big pots because this pot it don't work for me tire. It don't work. I don't get it since 2017. Yeah, so I went back there to check big one like this, but I don't get. I will be going there again. Maybe I can see chance one day. So let's start. So this is my butter. I'm going to add my butter now so that I can melt. Yeah, I think I'm going to use something like this because I need to cook like 3 kilo. Yeah. So everything done melt. I'm trying to add my onions, my curry powder. 1, 2. This one too is still curry powder, but it's another scent. My thyme. Oh. So this is my thyme. So now mix everything together. Everything together. I'm going to add my bay leaf. I'm going to put so I'll just let it fry for how many minutes? You pay me say no day here. You see the type of scent I'm smelling in this kitchen. Oh Lord, this aroma is so cool. This one will never come off my eyes. There is still paining me. So I want to open my tin tomato now. Yeah. My can opener is not working anymore, so I'm just going to try it like this. Yeah, I'm going to open it like this. And every day, if I go to market anytime, I always forget to buy that can opener. So I let it fry for something like 3 minutes. Then all the ingredients I add into this sauce is smelling good. So you now go on and add your pepper. Come on. Go on and mix it together. Mind you, let it be cooking in a low heat. So this is my meat water, my turkey water. So I've already filtered it, then I put it here. I'm trying to add my water. Then you can taste it to know if everything is okay. Yeah. So we are going to leave it for 10 minutes so that everything can cook together. Okay. So I've washed my rice, so I've put it. I'm just going to turn it because I don't want anything to be white here. And I've fried my turkey, so I'm going to fry small still now. Then I will put my turkey. So I'm going to add the water. I'm going to use this stick to lift the rice up, and I will add the water here. because you can't add the water on top. The water needs to go down. So if you are still watching this video and you haven't liked and share, please do so for your baby girl. Thank you. And if you are still watching it this time, that is to say you're such a good vibe. Yeah. So I'm going to add this aluminium nylon for the rice to cook together, because I don't like whereby jollof rice is one side cook and one side not cook. So I'm just trying to, you know. So we'll not leave it. I'm going to load the gas. Let's face our stew. So I'm going to put the mini stew here. I put it on top. So this is the outcome of our turkey. So you guys should take a bite. Ooh. So I'm just going to add my butter so that it will not move together. This jollof rice is giving vibe. This is how I love to cook my jollof rice. I don't like cooking jollof rice and one side we cook, another side we no cook. No, I love when everything is cooked together, you know. Finally, we are done. Like, I'm tired for today. I'm telling you, I'm tired. This rice, oh my god. I'm coming, may not be saying now, let me eat this side. What can I eat for inside? I want you guys to taste from this rice. Oh. If you have any parts to do, just cut me. I'm coming here. Like, this rice is giving vibe. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh. Hey. Ah. Oh gosh. You guys know I take. Oh. This is rice. Oh. It's hot. You know when you go to party and they serve you baked jollof rice in party, and just be scratching your head. And just be scratching your head. Until you ask for 2 plates of rice and take away. Oh, this rice. No, I'm not gonna eat the rice, so now you guys, so I don't want guys to feel like I'm stingy, so I just say may I eat them, because a lot of people are telling me that, tell me, will they see your videos, if they cook, now only the job are finished. So me no be see now, let me stitch up this one. Me I no vex. I don't cook, not me eat am. Now na eat am. So yeah, that is it for today. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you watched it to this stage. Like, you got space here. I love you. Yeah. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Please keep supporting your baby girl by commenting and like my video. Please, you can share it too. I beg you. I beg you. Thank you. And see you on my next video. Bye.